Whoa! That's me and you! Isn't that cool?
I'm gonna change SpongeBob in a minute.
Oh, whoa! Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. No, not the iPod. Look, look. Rawr, see rawr.
Mike, come on, give me another coat.
Rawr. What'd you do that for?
SpongeBob!
Pull up your pants. I want us to see your diaper. Trick one, I'm going to ask you some questions. Come here, look. Come here. I'm going to ask you some questions, okay? Alright. Who is your hero?
Hi.
Say, who's your hero? What's your name? What's your name?
Dad.
No, what's your name?
I done it.
No, your name.
Eat.
What?
Eat.
What's your name? What is your name, huh? Is it Traquan? What's your name? Huh? What's your name? Got your teddy bear?
Why? Gaga? Okay.
It's like he's never been on TV before. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
I move it. Hi.
Hi.
I done it.
Hi, Nana.
Eh?
Yeah, how's that working out for you?
Eat.
E-E? Yeah?
Hi.
Stop it. What? SpongeBob, go! SpongeBob! Tell the camera how much you love SpongeBob.
I love you, Papa.